Welcome to another edition of Flaming Barrel of Monkeys, Tech Junkies. I'm Sean McGoey. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're out and about, running around, doing things. So I thought I would do mail call on the run. So here we go. Let's see what we got in the mail. So first thing we got was a package from, it says China Post. I'm not really sure what it is. Take a look and open it up. Okay, let's see. It says, as you wish. As I wish what? What was this? Ah, it's lenses for the DJI Mavic. Very cool. Take a look and see how the lenses look. Let's see. That's why I have a knife. Let's take a look and see how these look. I've been reading up on the different filters and things like that for the Mavic, and some people suggest you don't use these. Some people suggest that they're great. It's just installing the filters on the camera. You have to watch out that the filters aren't too heavy when they're setting up the cameras. Oh, look at that. Comes in a nice little carry case for it. Designed by PGY Tech. Let's see. Let's take a look and see how the... Oh. So, and there's enough room for more than one lens. So that's what the lens looks like. It's a nice metal housing. Has some felt on the inside so you don't scratch up the... the lens that you're putting it on, or the camera. So it's a nice lens. Let's see if it when I get the Mavic Pro, we'll see how it fits. Right now I'm still waiting. I have a couple more weeks before I get the Mavic. So we'll see when we receive it in the mail. Nice, another piece to add to the collection of accessories that I'm getting from the Mavic. Now, here's another airmail. And this looks like it is a iPhone cable. Now, the reason why I got this cable is to use the Shure USB lightning bolt microphone that I'm using right now on this cast. Yeah, that's nice. We'll see if it works. So you plug this part into your phone, and then this part can go into any lightning bolt connectors. It's in a heavy duty cable. It's actually nice. We'll see how it works when I test it out. So, fortunately that's it for mail call for Tech Junkies. Nothing else exciting came today. So that's it for me. Now, like us on Facebook, Twitter, and of course on YouTube. We appreciate all the support we get from our tech community out there. Leave your comments below. Hit the thumbs up on our videos. If you have any comments or have any questions about any of the products that we review or any of the tech, we would be more than happy to respond back to you. For now, this is Sean McGoey. Flaming Burial of Monkeys, Tech Junkies. Keep teching on, folks. We'll see you in the next review.